Many people believe that new cars should always be better than old cars. They look modern, have more technology, and better designs. But then why do some people say older cars lasted longer? The truth is interesting. Older cars were often built with simpler mechanical systems. Less electronics, fewer sensors, and easier engines meant fewer things could go wrong. Modern cars are smarter. They have touchscreens, sensors, cameras, turbo systems, advanced transmissions, and many electronic parts. This gives comfort and performance, but it also adds complexity. More parts can mean more chances of failure. Another reason is cost cutting. Some manufacturers try to reduce production costs by using lighter materials or cheaper components in certain areas. This can improve fuel economy and reduce price, but sometimes long-term durability suffers. Then there is maintenance. Older cars were simpler and many owners repaired them regularly. Today, some people ignore maintenance because they expect a new car to need nothing. That is a mistake. Even new cars need oil changes, fluid checks, tire care, and regular service. Driving habits also matter. Hard acceleration, rough roads, short trips, and poor fuel can damage both new and old cars. But modern engines are often smaller and more stressed for better efficiency. That means maintenance becomes even more important.